Welcome to Bark Realm, where you can enjoy beautiful dogs and adorable puppies in joyful and heartwarming moments. Our videos show dogs playing, exploring nature, and sharing love through different fun activities. If you see a dog that looks like yours, tell us its name or breed in the comments. Your dog might be featured in our next video. Subscribe to Bark Realm for relaxing and entertaining dog videos.
surprise. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You did it. Good job. Way to go, buddy.
Will you marry me?
Yes, oh my God, yes.
I can't believe
I can't believe it. Call my mom, call them now.
Welcome. Look how excited he is to see you.
Oh, it's so good to see everyone. What a beautiful day for it.
On behalf of everyone here, congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone. We'll miss you, but we're so excited for your next chapter.
To another year together.
Happy anniversary.
Bye, buddy. See you later. Have a good day.
Cheese. Cheese.
Wow, this corsage is beautiful. Look how much he likes your suit.
He really is impressed, isn't he? Ready for pictures?
ברוך אתה אדוני, מבורך שמו לעולם ועד.
It's a girl.
Oh my God.
Yes, it's a girl. We are so happy for you, Maria.
When is the baby due?
Oh, look at the dog. He wants the cake.
To the bride and groom. Cheers.
We're so thrilled to finally celebrate with you all. Look at this. It's perfect. Congratulations, you guys. When's the big day?
Toasting the happy couple, may your life together be as golden as this hour.
That looked perfect, honey.
The dog certainly agrees.
Let's eat before he steals the whole thing.
Look at all the gifts. I want the big one. I got a truck.
ברוך אתה אדוני, אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר קידשנו במצוותיו.
He keeps finding them before we do.
Look at him go. He found the big chocolate bunny.
Happy 4th of July, everyone. Look at those fireworks.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Oh, thank you all so much. Look at him barking for the pancake.
You want some too?
Wow, look at the colors.
This is the best festival of lights yet.
Rust!
He remembers them.
Yes, he misses the pan dulce.
Cricky, what a shot! Yeah.
And with this candle, we light Ujamaa, cooperative economics.
It's beautiful, Dad. The light is strong tonight.
Hear ye, hear ye! The prognostication is clear. 6 more weeks of winter!
Your environmental help today, from cleaning to planting, is what this Earth celebration is all about.